Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be making the game part of the Among Us game that we have here. So I've made a map in the meantime and decorated the electrical wires thing a little more. So there is a electrical, a gym, a security, and a meeting room. Security won't do anything so far. Something we're going to want to do now here is, well, we want to have the, so I'm gonna go get a knife. And I am going to remove all of the, well, scripts from it. Okay, now we have our knife. Make this 0.3. Okay. So now we have our knife. I'm going to add a tool. Where is it? A tool. Rename imposter weapon. Or actually rename imposter knife. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it imposter knife. I'm going to rename this handle. I'm going to go to my plugins and find, where is it? You can find something to help me make the knife better. There it is. Turn that on. I'm going to edit tool grip, rotate, then scale it like this, I guess. Yeah. So, okay. So now we have our knife. Okay. Now we have to script it. So, script.parent activated connect function. I'm actually gonna add a new, so local target equals nil. Script.parent handle dot touched connect function hit if hit dot parent not equal to script dot parent dot parent, then target equals hit dot parent. Okay, so now it tells the target thing. So hit target dot humanoid dot health equals 0. So we're gonna do an and game dot players get player from character hit dot parent. Okay. Script dot parent dot okay. So local usable equals true. So we're gonna do if usable equals true, then usable equals false. Wait. I'm just gonna, okay, so we're gonna go to, say, replicate storage folder, name game stuff, I'm going to add an int value. Rename imposter kill cooldown. Game.replicateStorage.gameStuff.imposter kill cooldown.value. I'm going to set this to 30. Now I am going to, items, imposter knife go in there. So I'm going to save this just in case we get kicked out or something. You should probably as well. Okay, now game. So we're gonna do repeat wait 1 until number game dot players get players is greater or equal to 4. Then we are going to make it so that someone can start the game. So what are we gonna do? Well, we need a let me just find something that we can just use this, I guess. I'm gonna use this cat. Now I am going to add a proximity prompt, or actually a click detector. So this add script. Wait, we don't need a script there. We're going to remove this one, script. And then here we're going to do workspace dot Maxwell dot click detector dot mouse click connect function player. Now we want to add tasks and then choose imposter. Going to add another function, choose imposter. Then what I'm going to do is local imposter equals game.players get players in the square brackets, then math.round math.random 1 comma number game.players get players. So local knife equals game.replicated storage dot items dot imposter knife clone knife dot parent equals imposter dot backpack. Then we're gonna do function and game, or we're gonna do up here return imposter. So local imposter equals choose imposter. Now we're gonna go to replicated storage items imposter knife and turn off can be dropped, which will make it so that you cannot drop the knife to a crewmate to make them the imposter or something like that. So then, well, I'm going to put add tasks after the choose imposter and put imposter. I'm gonna have imposter here. If then FV is V is not equal to imposter, then okay. So now actually I'm gonna do an if then statement here, and if number of players is greater than that, yeah. So save to Roblox. I'm going to have a screen GUI, rename, say, let's say it is called text. Now we're going to add a text label there. This I'm just going to add for people to know something. Now I'm going to make this that do to play. You need at least 4 people. Then I'm going to do text scaled on. Now I'm not going to do the rich text because that can break your text to say like you need at least 4 people, but it breaks the at and least to A and then T least on the next line. So that's why I don't recommend doing that. The next thing that we want, well, we actually have done pretty good. We just need a way to win. So actually, I'm gonna check the time. We can do that. We can do it. So repeat wait 1 until number of game.players get players is less or equal to 2. Actually, we're going to do is less or equal to 2. So for VNI pairs, game.players get players do v.player.gui.text.text label.text imposters win. Oh, imposter wins. Then imposter.backpack find first child. Imposter knife. I am going to cut and then if, then destroy. Okay, so we can only win if the imposters win. The only way to end the game is for the imposter to win. We will change that next time by making a meeting system and voting and ejection to eject the imposter out into, say, a lava pit or something. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, everyone. See ya!